I've got an ordinary paper cup that makes unusual sounds. Let's listen to it. What could be inside the paper cup that clucks like a chicken? There is nothing in those cups. I just fixed a paper clip at the end of a ribbon and pulled the other end of it through the hole in the center of the bottom of the cup. With this simple experiment, I showed the children that sound waves spread not only through the air, but also through solid bodies. So the vibrations spread up the ribbon and reached the cup that amplified the sound. In order to make this experiment, get the ribbon damp, squeeze it with 2 fingers and slide down the ribbon with short jerks. If all goes well, you will hear a chicken sound. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check other cool science experiments for children.